Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best lawn soil is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, factors in achieving a vibrant, healthy lawn. Choosing the right soil can mean the difference between a thriving green space and a patchy, struggling lawn, impacting everything from grass density and color to its resilience against pests and diseases. This video will guide you through selecting the perfect lawn soil to transform your yard into the envy of the neighborhood. Number 5. Scott's Easy Seed Patch and Repair. This innovative product makes growing a lush lawn easier than ever. It's designed to cover up to 225 square feet, revitalizing damaged areas with ease. It's not just seed, it's a complete system. This revolutionary mix includes high-performance grass seed, a unique mulch, and essential nutrients for optimal growth. The high-performance grass seed ensures a strong, healthy lawn. The mulch absorbs 6 times its weight in water, keeping the seeds moist and protected. It contains a special fertilizer that feeds the seedlings, giving them the boost they need to grow quickly and strongly. This jumpstarts the growth process for a faster, healthier lawn. A tackifier keeps the seeds in place, preventing them from washing away. A protectant shields the seedlings from diseases, ensuring their survival. It thrives in various conditions: full sun, dense shade, slopes, and even high-traffic areas. It's the perfect solution for all your lawn care needs. With its simple application and powerful formula, it guarantees a beautiful lawn, with proper care. Get ready to enjoy a lush, green space. What we like. It works in various conditions, from full sun to dense shade. The high-quality seed ensures strong, healthy growth. If you need to cover a smaller area and want guaranteed results, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. First, aerate the soil. For small patches, I just dabbed it with a large tent peg until there were deep holes every inch or so apart. It has to be at a point where if you hosed it down with water, the water would all drain away instead of pooling up on top. Now pour on the product as directed. Make sure at least a little of it gets into those holes you just made. Finally, water it until all the water soaks in multiple times. Once the ground was bare soil, I loosened it up a bit and pulled out any remaining crabgrass. Dead Next, I sprinkled this Scott seed, tall fescue grass, onto a small section to see what would happen. End result? Grass grew after a week, and now it has increasingly become fuller. I have been using this stuff for years and the quality of grass is amazing. So easy to use and the results are top-notch. Number 4. Scott's Easy Seed Patch and Repair. It's the simple solution for a lush, healthy lawn. This innovative product combines everything you need to repair bare spots and revitalize your grass. It's a unique blend of mulch, seed, and fertilizer. This means you don't need to buy multiple products to get the job done. It absorbs 6 times its weight in water, creating a moist environment that protects the seeds and promotes germination. This helps your seeds thrive. It uses Scott's best high-performance grass seed, ensuring strong, healthy growth. You'll see a beautiful lawn in no time. It provides essential nutrients for strong root development and vigorous growth. It jumpstarts the growth of your new grass. It includes a tackifier that helps prevent seeds from washing away, even on slopes. This ensures that your seeds stay put. It's guaranteed to grow grass in various conditions, including full sun, shade, high-traffic areas, and slopes. Get the lawn you've always wanted. What we like. Specifically designed for tall fescue lawns, this all-in-one solution simplifies the process. The convenient combination of mulch, seed, and fertilizer makes it super easy to use. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to repair bare patches in your tall fescue lawn, this is it. What people say. It takes a bit to germinate, but once it gets growing the results are good. I have put down other products that refuse to sprout. Ease of coverage and good results. It comes with seed, fertilizer, mulch, and everything you need to either fix a spot or start a new area with grass. They have great instructions on how you can make your lawn a green masterpiece. Grass grew after a week, and now it has increasingly become fuller. Number 3. Scott's Triple Action Built for Seeding. It's the ultimate solution for establishing a lush, weed-free lawn. This innovative product combines weed prevention, fertilization, and grass development all in one. It prevents a wide range of weeds, including dandelions and crabgrass, for up to 6 weeks. This protection gives your new grass the best chance to thrive. It jumpstarts the growth of your new grass, giving it a head start against the elements. This ensures a healthy, vibrant lawn from the beginning. It provides essential nutrients to protect your lawn from heat and drought stress. This helps your grass stay strong and resilient throughout the growing season. Simply apply it to your dry lawn when temperatures are between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. One bag covers 1,000 square feet. It's perfect for use on newly seeded, overseeded, or newly planted Kentucky bluegrass, tall fescue, perennial ryegrass, centipedigrass, and fine fescues. Get the beautiful, weed-free lawn you've always wanted with Scott's Triple Action built for seeding. It's the smart choice for a healthy, thriving lawn. What we like. This product tackles weeds while nurturing new grass. It covers a large area, saving you time and effort. If you're starting a new lawn and want to prevent weeds, this is your best bet. What people say. It combines 3 important functions into one: seed, weed prevention, and fertilization, which is incredibly convenient. After a couple of weeks, I started to notice new grass growing in the bare spots, and the weeds that had been creeping in were effectively kept at bay. My grass seed grew quickly, and no weeds germinated throughout the growing process. After 3 mows, my lawn is thick, green, and healthy. Number 2. Coast of Maine Monhegan Blend. This is Coast of Maine Monhegan Blend, a premium organic and natural lawn soil. It's perfect for seeding, top dressing, and reconditioning your lawn. Each bag provides 1 cubic foot of this amazing soil. It's ideal for a variety of lawn care projects, big or small. It's made with all natural ingredients, so you can feel good about using it on your lawn. It's a great choice for environmentally conscious gardeners. This blend is specially formulated to support healthy seed germination and growth. Get ready for a lush, green lawn. Use it to top dress your existing lawn to improve its health and appearance. It also helps to recondition tired or damaged soil. Please note that the color and appearance of the product may vary slightly from what you see here. The size may also vary based on availability. What we like. This option is completely organic and natural, making it an environmentally friendly choice. It's great for top dressing and improving your soil health. If you prioritize organic lawn care, this is the one for you. What people say. The composition and texture of this soil is just fantastic by comparison. I use it mostly for patching up the lawn, but I have also mixed some into our small garden in the past. Purchased this to fill in spots in the St. Augustine grass and has done a great job getting the grass to spread. This is the best soil I've purchased. The bag has no debris, just soil. Number 1. Jonathan Green Magical. Is your lawn's pH too low? It can lead to poor growth and nutrient absorption. This product quickly and effectively raises your soil's pH to the ideal range. This is a highly effective soil amendment. 1 bag of this product does the work of up to 5 bags of limestone, making it a cost-effective solution. This product helps your grass better absorb essential nutrients. Balanced soil chemistry means less fertilizer waste and a healthier lawn. It's rich in calcium, vital for healthy grass, and contains humates to boost soil health and root growth. This ensures a strong foundation for a thriving lawn. 1 18-pound bag covers up to 5,000 square feet. Use it in spring, summer, or fall for optimal results. Check your soil's pH level for best application. What we like. It effectively raises your soil's pH level, creating the ideal environment for healthy grass. It covers a massive area, making it efficient for larger lawns. If you have acidic soil and want to improve nutrient absorption, this is the perfect solution. What people say. This stuff actually works, which I didn't think it would, but to my surprise, within 2 weeks my lawn is filling in and is deep dark green. I normally use pelletized lime in my yard. I usually put down 200 pounds 5 bags per year. I haven't really checked the pH in a long time. Someone recommended this Magical to me and I thought I would give a try. I like the thought of using 1 bag as opposed to 5. Again, I haven't checked the pH, but I have confidence in Jonathan Green products. I can say that I really don't see a difference in my lawn because it is always maintained. But it's very easy to use. I am glad I discovered Thio's product. I was use a pelletized lime that did not dissolve well, but this one for my sandy acid soil is great. I use in the spring and just before it snows as the cooperative extension advised me, and I finally have a green lawn as I was really lacking nutrients. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.